Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we explore fascinating words in the English language. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Our word of the day is adhere. It's a C1 level verb that means to stick firmly to something or to follow a rule closely. This is a versatile word you'll find useful in both formal and everyday conversations. Let's dive deeper into adhere. If something adheres, it literally sticks to another surface like glue or tape sticking to a wall. For example, the stickers will adhere to the window if it's clean. Beyond the literal sense, adhere is also used metaphorically to describe following rules, principles, or plans strictly. For instance, employees are expected to adhere to the company's code of conduct. Now, let's talk about some synonyms of adhere. Words like stick, cling, and attach can work for its physical meaning. For example, the paint wouldn't stick to the damp wall. For the figurative sense, you might use comply, follow, or conform. For example, she always complies with safety regulations at work. Each of these words brings a slightly different flavor, but they align with the meaning of adhere. For antonyms, think of words like detach, ignore, or disobey. If something doesn't stick, you could say, the label started to detach from the bottle. For the figurative meaning, you could use, he decided to ignore the rules altogether. These antonyms highlight a lack of connection or commitment, the opposite of what adhere represents. Let's explore how you can use adhere in everyday life. If you're giving instructions, you might say, please ensure the decorations adhere securely to the wall. Or, in a more formal context, it's important to adhere to the deadlines set by the project manager. Whether you're describing something sticking physically or someone following rules, adhere fits well. Here are a few more examples to bring the word to life. The poster didn't adhere properly because the surface was too rough. Successful teams adhere to their game plans during critical matches. We should all strive to adhere to our personal values, no matter the circumstances. That wraps up today's exploration of adhere. Remember, this word can help you describe sticking to things or following rules with precision and clarity. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd also love to hear from you. Create your own sentence using adhere and share in the comments. Until next time, keep learning and have fun with English.
Goodbye.